Here's the harsh truth. 90% of self-published books on Amazon never get more than 5 reviews. And without reviews, your book is practically invisible. No credibility, no traction, no sales. Now picture this. You launch your book, and within just 2 weeks, it's stacked with 100 real, honest reviews. People are buying. Your ranking is rising. Amazon's algorithm starts to notice. You're no longer shouting into the void. You're gaining real momentum. And you did it without fake accounts, bots, or begging. But most authors don't get this far. They either break Amazon's rules and get banned, or they give up, thinking reviews are out of reach. So how do you actually do it the right way? In this video, I'm giving you the full blueprint. How to get your first 100 Amazon book reviews ethically, effectively, and fast. What you must never do if you want to stay in Amazon's good graces. How to tap into your network the right way. The secret strategies top indie authors use to build review momentum. If you want your book to be seen, trusted, and bought, you're in the right place. Subscribe to The Silent Publisher. Let's get into it. Let's get one thing straight. Reviews are not just nice to have. They are the oxygen of your book's success. Here's why. When a potential buyer lands on your Amazon page, they make a decision in under 5 seconds. And what's the first thing they check? Not your name, not your book cover, not even the blurb. It's the reviews. Think about it. Would you rather buy a book with 2 reviews? Or 200? One looks amateur, the other looks credible, high quality, and like it's already helping people. But it's more than social proof. Amazon's algorithm is watching. Every time you earn a new review, especially early on, Amazon notices. That boosts your chances of being recommended in customers also bought, keyword searches, and even internal emails Amazon sends to buyers. It's not just exposure, it's leverage. Let me break this down with a real-world scenario. 2 authors. Same genre, similar book quality. Author A builds a review team before launch, hits 50 reviews fast, and gets algorithmic lift. Author B hits publish and waits. Nothing happens. No sales, no traffic, no reviews. 3 months later, author A is ranking in the top 10 of their category. Author B is sitting on inventory and disappointment. The difference wasn't luck. It wasn't even better writing. It was having a plan to get reviews. Reviews help you gain trust. They fuel visibility. They build momentum that multiplies over time. If you want your book to actually sell, getting reviews isn't optional. It's essential. And in the next sections, I'll walk you through every ethical, powerful tactic to make it happen, starting with what you should never do. Before we dive into the strategies, let's clear something up. Amazon plays hardball when it comes to reviews. If you break the rules, even by accident, you could lose your publishing privileges overnight. So let's talk about what not to do. Don't pay for reviews. Even if someone promises it's verified or safe, Amazon's bots are insanely advanced. They'll catch it. And when they do, your reviews vanish. Your book ranking tanks. Your account may get flagged or suspended. Don't review swap. This might seem harmless. You leave a review on another author's book, they return the favor. But Amazon tracks connections between accounts. If they notice a pattern, both reviews could be removed. Worse, your account might get blacklisted. Don't ask friends to buy and review unless it's natural. Here's the tricky part. If a reviewer has a direct relationship with you, family, close friend, colleague, and Amazon detects that connection, their review might not count. If they've never bought a book from Amazon, or they write only 1 review ever, yours, it's a red flag. Don't incentivize reviews. You cannot offer gifts, discounts, or free stuff in exchange for a review. Even if it's a tiny reward, Amazon sees that as a bribe. Here's the mindset. Treat reviews like gold. You have to earn them through value, not trickery. Now the good news? You can absolutely get a flood of real, ethical, powerful reviews. You just need to follow the right path. And that's exactly what we're going into next, starting with your existing network and the friends and fans strategy. Okay, you've avoided the traps. Now let's build your review foundation the right way. Your first 100 reviews won't come from strangers. They'll come from your friends and fans network, people who already know, like, or trust you. But here's the key. You have to guide them without violating Amazon's terms. Here's the 4-step strategy. Step 1. Make a personal list. Write down 30 to 50 people who might support your work. Friends, co-workers, clients, former classmates, your dentist, anyone who might be interested. Don't overthink who qualifies. If they've read a book before, they're in. Step 2. Reach out personally, not mass email. People ignore mass messages. So write short, personal messages, DMS, texts, or emails. Keep it human, simple, and respectful. Hey, name, I just launched my book. If it's something you'd enjoy, I'd love for you to check it out on Amazon. And if you do, an honest review would mean the world. You're not asking for a positive review, just an honest one. That's key for compliance and authenticity. Step 3. Make it easy to review. Most people don't know how to leave a review, so link directly to your book's Amazon page. You can also share a simple guide like scroll down to the review section, click Write a customer review, and just leave a few honest sentences. That's it. Step 4. Follow up gently. People forget. A friendly nudge 7 to 10 days later can double your review count. Just checking in. If you had a chance to read the book, I'd love to hear your thoughts on Amazon. Thanks again. This strategy isn't about pressuring people. It's about creating an easy path for those who already support you to show it. Even if only 25% of your list follows through, that's 10 to 15 reviews. Multiply that by 2 or 3 rounds of outreach, and boom, you're halfway to your first 100. Next up, how to scale beyond your personal network with a pre-launch review team. Once you've tapped into your personal network, it's time to go pro. Build an advanced review team, also called a launch team or street team. This is your secret weapon for stacking reviews before and right after your book launches. Here's exactly how to do it. Step 1. Start recruiting early. 4 to 6 weeks before your book goes live, start putting out feelers. You can post on social media, your email list, Facebook groups, or writing communities. Keep it simple. I'm building a small advanced team for my upcoming book. You'll get early access, behind-the-scenes updates, and a free digital copy. In return, I just ask for an honest Amazon review when the book launches. Interested? You'll be shocked how many people say yes, especially if the topic is compelling. Step 2. Deliver early copies, ARC. Once they're in, send them a clean, formatted advanced reader copy, PDF, EPUB, or even Google Docs. Make it easy. Add a note like, "Thanks for joining the team. Here's your copy. I'll remind you closer to launch day when reviews open up." Step 3. Set the expectation. Clearly, you're not buying reviews. You're not requiring reviews, but you are creating a culture of support. Tell them, there's no pressure, but if you enjoy the book, I'd love for you to leave a quick, honest review on Amazon during launch week. It really helps indie authors like me get discovered. Transparency builds trust and compliance. Step 4. Remind at launch. When the book goes live, send a reminder with the review link. Keep it short. It's launch day. If you enjoyed the book, here's the review link. Thank you so much for being part of this. With even a small advanced team of 20 to 30 readers, you can hit 15 to 25 reviews within the first few days. That kind of early traction tells Amazon, this book matters, and they start showing it to more readers. Next, I'll show you how to keep reviews flowing after the launch using simple automated tactics. So your book is live. The early reviews are rolling in. But now the question is, how do you keep reviews coming in week after week? Here's the good news. Once your book is out, you can automate the review flow with a few smart systems. Strategy 1. Add a review request in the book. At the end of your book, include a short, genuine message. If you enjoyed this book, the best way to support it is by leaving a quick review on Amazon. It only takes a minute, and it helps more readers discover it. Thank you. Make it feel personal, not salesy. Readers who finish your book are your biggest fans. They want to help. Strategy 2. Use your email list, even a tiny one. If you've got an email list of 50, 100, or 1,000 readers, use it. After launch, send a simple follow-up. Hey, first name. If you've read book title, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Here's the review link. it makes a huge difference. You can even automate this email to go out 7 to 10 days after purchase using services like MailerLite, ConvertKit, or BookFunnel integrations. Strategy 3. Keep driving traffic, run promos, reach new readers, get downloads. The more people read your book, the more potential reviews you'll receive. Think of reviews as a percentage game. More readers equals more reviews. Reviews aren't just a launch thing, they're a long game. And by making it easy, frequent, and personal, you'll keep that momentum going. Next, let's tie everything together in the conclusion, with one final push to turn your book into a review magnet. Getting your first 100 Amazon reviews isn't magic, it's a method. Start with your inner circle. Build an advanced review team. Use automation and authenticity to keep reviews flowing long after launch. You don't need shady tactics. You don't need to beg. You just need the right game plan. And now you've got it. If this video helped you, smash that like button so YouTube knows it's worth sharing. And if you want more step-by-step strategies for growing your author career, subscribe right now, because we're just getting started. Your book deserves to be seen. Now go make it happen.